Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just received a couple new accessories for my Cybertruck, so without wasting too much time, let's take a look what I got. Alright guys, so here we go. A center console storage box and a rear storage box, or a trash can, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so let's quickly take a look at the rear storage box. Basically, there's a couple of 3Ms Velcros that'll attach to the back. And inside, just lots of storage space. They send you a couple of extra clips and springs just in case if these go bad. You have an extra set right here to get them replaced. Alright, so perfect for when the kids are in the back and putting all their garbage instead of just throwing it on the floor. So, and for the front, that space that we know that's pretty empty. Even though I have a little rubber mat, this is going to be a nice little accessory to sort of organize things. Alright, there's a little storage area here, a couple extra cup holders, and again, a trash can. Alright, same thing, you get a couple of spares here, a little baggie of spares. Alright, and another cool thing that's sort of integrated is that all this extra storage space, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but basically this entire length is hollow inside, so you can store a lot of other things that you don't reach for very often. And yeah, so I mean, get things a little organized, and like I said, extra cup holders. Yeah, I don't think there's ever enough cup holders in the car. So, all right, let's go ahead and quickly put it in the truck. And that's that. Super simple. Definitely move the driver's seat back. Makes your life a little easier. Okay, let me get a little closer so you can see it. All right, guys. So here it is installed. Let me just get in a little closer. Little storage space here, 2 cup holders. There we go. Out of the way, nice. And yeah, as I said, a little trash can area. Throw all the garbage, and the great thing is that it's removable, so you can just take it out, dump all the garbage out, put it right back in, take it out. But anything that you don't use on a daily, just put it inside and let it sit there. When you need it, get it out and put the trash can back inside, and that's it. So yeah, now this empty space is sort of used for something. Alright, looks good. First things first, let's wipe this area down with alcohol just to make sure there's no dirt so the 3M tape can stick nicely. Alright, give it a second to dry. Let's go ahead and peel the 3M, protect the film off. Alright, center it in the area and just push it in. And that's really it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I'm not gonna take it off because I just want the 3M to adhere really nicely to the back of it. But yeah, works really well. Just from a different angle so you guys can see it, what it looks like here. Alright, again. Okay, and that's it. Alright guys, so that will do it for today. Thank you Tesstudio for sending these to me to install and review. I'm going to leave the links down below for anyone who would like to purchase same storage boxes or anything else. And I'm going to leave the discount code as well so you can save some extra money. So hopefully this video was useful to some of you. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.